Pateros is often remembered for its fiesta, for balloon, for street dancing, and for celebration. Many people don't realize that Pateros carries traditions deeply rooted in history. Mula sa balloon making na bahagi na ng ating pagkakakilanlan hanggang sa pandangguhan tradisyon na sumisimbolo sa tibay at pagkakaisa ng komunidad. Despite this rich heritage, tourism in Pateros remains seasonal. Kapag tapos na ang lista, tila unti-unting nawawala ang atensyon sa mga lugar, kwento at kulturang matagal na naririto. My advocacy is to transform Pateros into a year-round heritage tourism destination. We can empower the youth to share our stories through art, creativity, and social media because culture continues when the next generation chooses to preserve it. But beyond the places and traditions, the true heart of Pateros will always be its people. Because preserving culture is not only about remembering the past.
Dito sa Pateros, ang kultura ay hindi lang ipinagdiriwang. Ito ay patuloy na nabubuhay.